Business operators in Portmore, St. Catherine are appealing for leniency as they struggle to meet deadlines for the payment of taxes in the municipality. The operators say the government should be more lenient on the owners of non-essential business, especially after the 3 weekends of lockdown. Kalisha Williams reports.
I was late one day for my GCT, right? And I was charged penalty to the tune of $82,000.
Norman Walker is the owner of this bookstore and president of the Sunshine City Chamber of Commerce.
The due date fell on the weekend, the Saturday. But because I paid it on the Monday, I was charged interest and penalty.
This, Mr. Walker told us, is the story of scores of small business operators in the municipality. And especially now, after the 3 weekends of lockdown, the government should be more lenient. Anne-Marie Downer-Brown is the owner of Rodrian Lando Collection.
What I notice is that there is not much emphasis that is placed on us Jamaicans who have business. A person can leave from other countries, come in and get a more flexible way of bringing forth their business. We who are here, who are small businesses, it's tight.
On top of that, as a closed store owner, Mrs. Downer-Brown did not fall in the essential services category, and so she decided to close her doors over the past 3 weekends despite an order that she could remain open until 12 noon on the last 3 Fridays and Saturdays.
We closed the first weekend from the Thursday. The second one, which was the Good Friday weekend, we closed from Wednesday because Thursday was 12 o'clock. Friday was out completely, so it didn't make any sense to come out, burn electricity, burn gas, pay toll to get here. It didn't make any sense.
The business operators explained that things in St. Catherine have been worse than other areas in the island. First, there was a state of public emergency. Then when the COVID cases surged in the parish last year, the parish was placed under lockdown.
It's really a great struggle, and we are hoping that the government will be sympathetic towards the business sector here so that we can look forward to a brighter day.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.